Hey guys, we are back at it at Taksim Square. It's obviously the month of July, so the weather is extremely hot. But as you can see, there's many shops in this area. We have many options and many shops. How you doing, buddy? Doing good, sir. And we got many ice cream shops back to back. And as you can see, we got. Oh, my man is doing us a show right now. Yeah, he's doing us a show right now, as you can see. This is common in Turkey, guys.
Mashallah, Turkish kebab.
See, this is common. So.
Vanilla. Ay maşallah yavrum. Ay yavrum ben. Hoba. Yes, please, my friend. How are you? Come here. Come. Okay. Mashallah. Hello?
No, we're not gonna.
Turkish ice cream?
He just had some. Thank you.
Okay.
Baby Lou.
Madam, Jennifer Lopez. What? No, Jennifer. I told you 1 second. Please. Come here. I don't want snow. It's Turkish ice cream. Come here, Jennifer.
And that is a trap, guys. That's the trap. That's the Turkish trap right there. He throws in a Jennifer Lopez in there, and that's it. It's a trap.
Strawberry. Vanilla chocolate mix. Thank you.
As you guys can see, the variety of baklavas here. They say the place is very good. We're gonna try it out one day. They got 3 locations: Istanbul, Dubai, and London. Hopefully we'll see one in America one day, huh? And they're open 24 hours, non-stop. Hey guys, we're at Potatoes right now, eating Kopir. It's one of the best potato spots in Istanbul you can ever think of.